Are you struggling to lose weight, no matter how much you diet or exercise? It turns out, it's not your fault. In 2023, after studying over 170 years of scientific data, a team of researchers from the Stanford University School of Medicine discovered just one common factor in overweight women and men: low inner body temperature. When inner body temperature is normal, calorie burning is fast and effortless. When your inner body temperature is low, your metabolism is slow. In fact, for every drop in inner body temperature, your metabolism slows by 13% or more. Alpilean is unlike anything you have ever tried or experienced in your life before. It is one of the only products in the world with a proprietary blend of 6 Alpine nutrients and plants designed to target and optimize low inner body temperature, a new cause of weight gain. By targeting your inner body temperature, you will electrify your sleeping metabolism into full fat-burning, energy-boosting mode. Inside every Alpilean capsule, you will find 6 clinically proven ingredients that target inner body temperature, supercharging your calorie-burning engine. Try Alpilean today.